Hello, my friends. Welcome back to English Podcast Studio, the podcast where you learn real English slowly, clearly, and confidently. I'm Lee, and today we will learn something very, very important. We will learn 100 daily English phrases you must know, and I will guide you step by step, slowly, clearly, and with many examples. These are phrases you can use every single day, at home, at work, with friends, in shops, in restaurants, and even when you travel. If you learn these phrases, you will sound more natural, you will feel more confident, and people will understand you more easily. Don't worry, I will speak slowly. I will explain clearly, and I will give you many examples. So relax, find a quiet place, and let's begin. We start with greetings. These are the first words we use when we meet people. Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Nice to meet you. What's your name? My name is. These phrases are simple, but they are very important. For example, hello, my name is Lee. Nice to meet you. This is a perfect start for any conversation. Now, let's look at small talk. Small talk is light, friendly conversation. How's it going? I'm doing well. Not bad. Long time no see. How's your family? How's work? That's great. That sounds good. Really? I see. For example, if someone asks you, how's it going? You can answer, I'm doing well. This keeps the conversation friendly and easy. Sometimes small talk can be about the weather. You can say, it's a beautiful day, or it's raining today, or it's very hot today. Simple sentences like this help you start a conversation naturally. You can also ask, do you like this weather? Or is it cold where you live? Now, let's move to phrases you need every day. Can you help me? Excuse me. Please. Thank you. You're welcome. I'm sorry. No problem. That's okay. Can I ask you something? Where is the bathroom? Imagine you are in a new place and you need help. You can say, excuse me, can you help me? This is polite and clear. You can also ask, can you tell me the way to the bus stop? Or can you show me where this is? Simple questions help you get the information you need. Eating out. These phrases will help you. I'd like some water. Can I see the menu? What do you recommend? I'll have this. Can I have the bill? Is service included? That was delicious. Do you take cards? Can I get it to go? Thank you for the meal. For example, I'll have this, please. Simple polite, and very natural. You can also say, "This is very tasty," or "I like this dish very much." These phrases make you sound confident and friendly. Now, let's go shopping. How much is this? Can I try it on? Do you have this in another size? Do you have this in another color? It's too expensive. Can you give me a discount? I'll take it. I'm just looking. Can I pay with cash? Can I pay with card? If you see something you like, just ask, "How much is this?" It's the most useful shopping phrase. You can also say, "I want this one," or "Can you wrap this for me?" These small phrases are very helpful in stores. Travel phrases are also very useful. Where is the bus stop? Where is the train station? How much is a ticket? One ticket, please. I'd like a return ticket. What time does it leave? What time does it arrive? Can you show me on the map? Is it far from here? How long does it take? Imagine you are in another city. You can ask, "Where is the train station?" It's simple and people will understand you. You can also say, "I am lost. Can you help me?" Or, "I need a taxi." These phrases are useful when you travel alone or with friends. Here are phrases for your daily routine. What's the time? It's 3 o'clock. See you soon. See you later. Take care. I'm at home. I'm at work. I'm busy right now. Call me later. Send me a message. For example, if your friend calls you when you are working, you can say, "I'm busy right now. Call me later." You can also say, "I am on my way," or "I will be there soon." These phrases help you communicate your schedule easily. Now, let's make some plans. What are you doing tomorrow? Do you want to hang out? Let's meet at 5. Where should we meet? Let's go for a walk. Let's have dinner. Let's watch a movie. That sounds fun. I can't today. Maybe another time. These are very common. For example, let's watch a movie. If your friend says, "I can't today," you can answer, "Maybe another time." You can also say, "I am free on Saturday," or "What time is good for you?" Small planning phrases make your life easier. Here are phrases for work or school. I understand. I don't understand. Can you repeat that? Can you speak slowly? That's interesting. Good job. I agree. I disagree. Let's start. Let's finish. For example, in class, you can say, "I don't understand." Can you repeat that? It's polite and very helpful. You can also say, "I have a question," or "Can you explain this again?" These phrases are very useful for learning and working. Finally, let's look at very common expressions. What's going on? Take it easy. Don't worry. That's funny. I like it. I don't like it. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. I'm ready. These are short but powerful. For example, I'm ready. This shows you are confident and prepared. You can also say, "I am excited." or I am bored. Short expressions help you show feelings and react naturally in conversation. Now let's practice together. I will say a phrase. You repeat after me. Hello? Repeat. Good morning? Repeat. How are you? Repeat. Thank you. Repeat. See you later. Repeat. Excellent. You are doing great. Let's practice more. I'll say the phrase slowly and you repeat it twice. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm tired. I'm tired. That was delicious. That was delicious. I am ready. I am ready. Great job. Keep repeating. This is how you learn English naturally. Sometimes you can practice with a friend. Say a phrase and let your friend answer. For example, you. How are you? Friend. I'm fine, thank you. You. Nice to meet you. Friend. Nice to meet you too. This is fun and helps you remember phrases. You can also practice alone. Look in the mirror and say phrases. Pretend you are talking to someone. Speak slowly, clearly, and with emotion. Now let's combine phrases. You can say, hello, my name is Lee. Nice to meet you. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. What are you doing tomorrow? Let's meet at 5. That sounds fun. I'll see you later. Thank you. By practicing combinations, you will sound natural and confident. Remember, repetition is very important. Listen to the phrases many times. Repeat them slowly. Repeat them again. Each time, your pronunciation improves, your confidence grows, and your understanding gets stronger. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Every beginner makes mistakes. The important thing is to keep speaking, keep practicing, and never give up. You can also create your own sentences using these phrases. For example, instead of I'm busy right now, you can say I'm busy this afternoon. Instead of let's go for a walk, you can say let's go for a coffee. Small changes help you use English in real life. Another tip is to listen and shadow. When you hear a phrase, repeat it exactly as you hear it. Copy the rhythm, copy the emotion, and speak slowly. This is called shadowing. Shadowing helps you sound natural. It helps you remember phrases better. It helps you speak with confidence. Sometimes you can write phrases in a notebook. Write them slowly. Read them aloud. Speak them while walking. Speak them while cooking. Speak them anywhere. Using phrases in many situations helps your brain remember them. Also, don't forget context. Some phrases are used at home, some at work, some while shopping, some while traveling. Think about when you use a phrase. For example, I'll have this is for a restaurant. Where is the bathroom is for travel. I'm tired is for daily life. Understanding context makes your English natural. Now practice listening too. Listen to this podcast. Listen slowly. Repeat each phrase. Speak with me. Listen one time. Listen again. Listen a third time. Your brain will remember phrases faster. Listening and speaking together is the fastest way to improve. Finally, always remember, don't try to be perfect. Speak slowly, clearly, and confidently. Small steps every day make a big difference. You will feel more confident. You will sound more natural. You will understand more. English will become easy for you. Thank you so much for listening. I'm Lee, and this is English Podcast Studio. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.